The first multi-state Powerball drawing had a jackpot of $6 million, but that is nothing compared to the record $1.9 billion the Powerball is at today. But I'm actually a pretty firm believer that the lottery in general is a complete scam, or at the very least, just a tax on poor people. People play the lottery because it gives them a small sense of hope that they could take a small amount of money and turn it into a much larger amount of money very quickly and with minimal effort. So I understand why the idea of that is very appealing. But in today's video, I want to talk about a way that we could still spend these small amounts of money, but in a way that almost guarantees a win every single time. How's it going?
Okay.
I'm doing great. I'm playing the lottery today.
Make good money?
I hope so. Yeah, YouTube. And we make money on YouTube. I'm trying to make money on the lottery. You think I'm gonna win?
Yeah, right.
I want 20 number 11s. 20 of them. $200.
How's the payment YouTube next day?
We get paid on YouTube once a month.
Once a month?
Yep. Yep, makes it easy for accounting. 12 payments a year.
I see a lot of video YouTube. Everybody makes a lot.
Everybody's, yeah. It's good. You should make a YouTube channel. Inside a vlog, gas station vlog. I bet you get some weird people coming in here all the time.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's called Hairytornado.
Do you scratch off tickets on there?
No, we do reselling videos. So we like go to thrift stores, yard sales, flea markets, try to buy stuff to flip. And today's video is I'm buying $200 worth of tickets, and I'm gonna spend 10 bucks thrifting, and I'm gonna see which one ends up more profitable.
Dude, that's
So
cool.
we'll see. What do you think?
Okay, lottery.
It'll be close.
Lottery?
All right, let's see if you're right.
Good luck to you, man.
Thanks, man. So nervous. $200. Are we gonna win? So we got our $200 worth of scratch offs. We're gonna get these scratched later on in the video to see how much profit we make from these, if any at all. I hope I got another something brewing over here. But now we got to take our $10 into Goodwill to see what we can buy to flip online. This is the Goodwill outlet where everything in here is priced by how much it weighs, and the price at our location is $1.89 per pound. So with our $10 budget, we're going to be able to buy about 5 pounds worth of items. First find of the day was this fairly high-end model of Rawlings catcher's mitt. This particular model is selling on eBay for about 60 bucks right now. I thought this vintage NRA trucker hat was pretty cool, but it's not worth a ton of money, maybe like 5 bucks or so. I found this pair of replacement insoles for UGG boots. It's a great time of year to sell something like this, even though they're not worth a ton of money, and they're very lightweight, so they likely won't really put a dent in our 5 pound limit here. And right after that, we found this pair of UGG sandals. Not a great time of year to sell these, but I still think we can get about 20 to 25 bucks for them. My beautiful wife Haley found this pair of Asics wrestling shoes. They weren't missing laces, but it's not a huge issue because we have laces and they sell like crazy over on eBay for about 40 bucks plus shipping. And then finally, our best find of the day, this pair of On Cloud running shoes. These were women's size 6, white colorway. They were a little dirty, but they were in good condition. Overall, we're gonna buy these, get them cleaned up, and these should probably sell between $50 and $70 plus shipping. So the total weight for everything we picked up today was just under 5 pounds, so the total price we paid was $9.45. So starting out negative $9.45, but we've already sold the UGG sandals for 20 bucks plus shipping, and we sold the UGG replacement insoles for 10 bucks plus shipping. After eBay fees, we're left with about $26.25, and then when we take our negative $9.45 plus $26.25, we are at a total profit thus far of $16.80. And we still have these 4 items left to sell. Again, this NRA hat's not worth a ton of money, maybe 5 bucks or so, but these other 3 items are worth a good bit. Minimum 40 bucks plus shipping on that, about minimum 30 bucks plus shipping on the Asics shoes. We got the new laces in there, they're looking great. And these On Cloud shoes did clean up very nicely. Still used, but gently used condition, plenty of miles left in those. I'd say these are worth minimum 50 bucks plus shipping. So when we add all that up, we're looking at about $125 in potential revenue between these 4 items. After fees, that'll put us around 100 bucks or so conservatively. I think that's very fair. So we got some easy math here. Adding 100 bucks to our total gives us a new total potential profit after fees of $116.80. Now the question is, will we make more than this in our $200 worth of lottery tickets? Lottery scratch time. We've got 20 tickets. I'm gonna give us 10 each.
We have 1 coin
to do here. I've got a coin in my hand.
Okay.
We are currently negative $200. The goal is to see if we will be profitable. If we can make 200 bucks in winnings, that will put us at a break-even point. Any more than 200 will put us in the profit. I'm curious to see if we end up winning. That would be cool that we win money,
yeah.
But it would kind of disprove my theory of this video that reselling is a better use of money than lottery, but we'll find out. Nothing on my first one.
Nothing for me either.
This is not looking good for the lottery. Nothing on my second one either. All right, I've got one winner on here. I've got a 31
Ooh.
and a 31. So let's see what the prize is here. 20 bucks.
$20.
All right. I hope I got another something brewing over here. And this one is 15 bucks.
All right.
Spent 200, made 35 so far. Nothing.
Me either.
Nothing. I got one over here.
You got all the good ones.
So sorry. $15. That puts us up to 50. That's 20.
You got all the good
I'm
ones.
so sorry. I divvied them out one at a time. Another 20 bucks. So we're up to 70. Almost halfway there.
You're just a faster scratcher than I am.
Oh, look at there.
Oh my goodness.
Another 20. 20 bucks just on the top
Look at
line.
the bonus.
So that puts us at 90.
Is there a way that you cheated? Because I didn't get a single good one.
I just had them all scattered out and I just divvied them up one by one like dealing cards.
Switch coins.
Okay,
Mine's smaller.
That's probably it. Nothing. You took my lucky quarter. My last card. Nothing. This is our last card that Haley has. We're currently
My hands hurt.
20, 40, 55, 70, 90. So hopefully we win $110 or more on your last card.
I didn't get a single winnings.
I'm so sorry. I did. So I ended up getting 5, and you got none. So I guess I do have pretty good luck, but not enough luck to make any money. We actually ended up losing $110, which, funny enough, is almost exactly how much money we made by reselling things with only a $10 budget. Look, folks, if you've got $20 burning a hole in your pocket and you want to go buy a couple lottery tickets just for the fun of it, and it doesn't really matter to you financially speaking, if you lose that $20, then by all means, go for it, do whatever you want. But the problem is when people play the lottery with a sense of desperation. There's actually been numerous occasions at that same gas station we were at earlier this morning buying our tickets where I'd be in there on a Friday afternoon and I would see these blue collar workers coming in and buy thousands of dollars in lottery tickets, likely spending their whole paycheck for the week just on that small hope that's given by the lottery that they can turn their small amount of money into a larger amount of money. And I'm telling you guys, the vast majority of the time, it does not work. But you know what works the vast majority of the time? Reselling.